tractor wheels that show the way and shape the world. Ford tractor wheels. How did they get that way? What new thoughts and ideas went into the building of these tractors that could show their raw, rugged power under any and all conditions? In the challenging heat and dust of bone-dry fields, in the unyielding hardness of the sun-baked soils of clay, in the choking softness of slush and mud, in the research laboratories where sub-zero temperatures tested their will to survive and come alive. What new capabilities were built into these tractors so they could withstand the abuse of the careless operators and provide the maximum efficiency for those operators who use the tractor to its best advantage? It took years to accomplish this. Years of developing, building and testing and rebuilding and retesting to create a worldwide tractor line capable of meeting the needs and requirements of tractor users in every part of the globe. In the beginning, there was an idea to create a line of tractors that would incorporate the thinking of tractor men from many different countries. This new line of tractors would be produced and marketed under the banner of a single worldwide tractor organization. All dealers in every part of the world would benefit by having their sales and distribution activities carried on within one company. Since the tractor line to be produced had to meet worldwide requirements, marketing experts were called upon to project all of the needs and demands the new tractor would have to meet in many different parts of the world. These men analyzed in detail the special needs of farmers and industrial tractor users in every section of every country where Ford tractors are sold. They studied all of the things customers like and do not like about the tractors they now own. They asked customers what features they wanted in the next tractor they would buy. They talked to dealers and analyzed the results of exhaustive marketing research. They developed tractor performance specifications to meet the special challenges presented by requirements in each individual market. So each country, with its own terrain, its own landscape, presents its own special performance specifications and its own special requirements. To meet these performance specifications, first a new tractor engine had to be created. It would be a true tractor engine, designed to meet specific tractor demands. A new engine, one that would carry forward the advancements that already existed in Ford. To make it happen, Ford evaluated the best information from tractor men all over the world. It began with a brand new block, heavier, more rugged, a deeper skirt, thicker ribbing and mounting flanges, square design, short stroke with heavier cylinder walls. For this engine, a new heavy-duty crankshaft was designed. A direct gear drive timing gear was built in. A heavy-duty timing train was designed, and positive valve rotators were added. All these began to bring alive a new tractor engine, and to it were added the systems. All were designed to deliver the living power. But a new engine by itself couldn't meet all the challenges and requirements of this new tractor. So every nut, every bolt, every bearing, every square inch of metal was designed to take punishment, to survive punishment, to thrive on punishment. This tractor had to have the capability to survive the most trying tests. The tractor was subjected to day in, day out, relentless, merciless testing of hydraulic system, linkage, and controls to prove that Ford's new system could be both solidly rugged and remarkably sensitive. A wider range of hard-working PTO options was designed and tested to meet the great variety of applications in the field. The tractors had to be heavier, more rugged, and have greater strength, new durability, and lugging power. Every feature had to stand up under intensive field use, such as rear axles, and adjustable front axles. And of course, Ford's exclusive Selecto Speed, shift-on-the-go transmission. It took its beating, its abuse, its day-in, day-out use, along with the other outstanding Ford features, such as the stamina of extra-strength construction and the precision to provide an even more dependable flow and depth control. The job of these engineers was to find out everything possible about the new tractor. They operated on the basis of a "you build it, we bust it" philosophy. It was check and double check all the way down the line. To be sure our basic design was right, to be sure of superior fuel economy and unmatched time intervals between servicing. Everything, no matter how small or seemingly trivial, was noted. As a direct result, the fuel filler was located off-center for greater convenience. A bigger tank was recommended, increasing the fuel storage capacity. The important maintenance and service points were made more readily accessible. Hydraulic pump, oil filter, dipstick, power steering pump, and generator. The air cleaner was placed up front, out of the dust path. And on the other side, the water pump, distributor, or injection pump, carburetor, and starter were also more conveniently located. A swing-out battery was devised for easier access. The comfort and fatigue factors of the operator were also considered. The seat was built with the aim of keeping a human being comfortable. The steering that handles with a minimum of effort handles still more easily with an optional power assist. The instruments are easy to read. And the hood is designed with practically no obstructions. Exclusive on the Ford Commander 6000, a two-position steering wheel to reduce fatigue. Good weather and bad, day and night, hour after hour, and after 60,000 hours of testing, the results spoke for themselves. The new Ford tractor line, the world's best tractor, became a reality. The next step was to put it together. Take the proven quality, strength, and reliability of the prototype and build them into each and every tractor on the production line. The most important thing to be built into the tractor is quality. And quality is made up of many things: basic raw material, skills, and attitudes. Organization. Precision. Precision does not exist unless it is deliberately and painstakingly put in every step of the way. It has to be put into every component, into every assembly. The unprecedented choice of rugged, dependable transmissions, 4, 6, 7, 8, and Selecto Speed, each has the same basic bone-deep quality. Each gets the same patient inspection. Engines. Everything measured to the ultimate fraction. Here is where so much vital interchangeability is born and built in. Every connecting rod is interchangeable all across the board. Piece by piece, part by part, the engine comes alive. And the inspection, the ever-present inspection points all along the line. Axle assemblies come together. Transmissions and engines are joined. Step by step, it takes shape. Slowly, surely it arrives at the crucial buckle-up. Rear axles meet engines and transmissions, steering housing and the front axle assembly. All under inspection, supervision, and quality control. That's an apt phrase, because quality can be controlled. For example, a tractor shouldn't be painted, at least Ford won't paint it, until the grease, grime, and dirt it has acquired in the normal process of being born and made are cleaned off in a 5-stage acid bath. Not one coat of paint, but 2 for long-lasting protection. In final assembly, the right component is always at hand at the right moment. Testing takes place at several stations along the line. But it's not enough to test the tractor. Ford must also test the production line. So tractors are picked out at random to be put through their paces. They're tested before they're built, while they're built, and after they're built. The objective is to send tractors out to the field to be sold, but only when Ford is convinced they are ready. And the tractors do not go out alone. They're part of a program to enable Ford dealers worldwide to give unmatched service. Production will come from 3 assembly plants. One at Antwerp, Belgium. One at Highland Park in Michigan, USA. And the other at Basildon, England. Each will carry an unprecedented float of parts, enough to build almost any desired variation of tractor. There will be a master parts depot at Birmingham, Michigan, in the United States. And there will be another master parts depot at Basildon, England. One master parts catalog will be printed in English with a multi-language edition in French, German, Spanish, and English. Finest quality for better parts. Increased interchangeability all across the line for fewer parts. And this is the new tractor line being readied for shipment. Never have tractors received such preparation, from first design to production line. Here is a tractor line uniquely qualified to meet the challenge of any market in the world. Tractors that can meet the challenge of any terrain in the world. Here are tractors that will speak for themselves in any language, in any part of the world. Whether you are a Frenchman, or a farmer in the United States, or a Sikh, or an Englishman, or a German, these tractors will speak for themselves.